Si Police Colonel Hector Grijaldo was laundered, sinabon, ikinula ni Congressman Barber for always answering, invoking his right to self-incrimination.
300 mahigit na membro ng Kongreso na kung saan ay merong mandato ng taong bayan. Kaya wag mong pastusin ito. Yung tapang mo, nawawala eh. Tawagin mo yung kakampi mo. Ang hirap, alam mo, Colonel, nag-imbento ka ng kwento. And then you speak about honor. And then you speak about the gospel of that was given to you by a priest, talking about honor, and which, yun, alam mo ba kung bakit mayroong honor? Pag hindi ka sinungaling, may honor ka. As simple as that. You're a police officer and you should have...
Look like a wet chicks. Parang basang sisiw. Huwag niyong kalimutang i-follow ang aking Facebook page, mag-comment, like, and share. Magandang araw sa ating lahat at maraming salamat po.